All right, today we're going to see how to change the internal cabin air filter in a 2014 Honda Accord. What the first thing you need to do is, of course, is go get a filter. Now, this is an STP, and that is the number, but of course, any auto supply company will be able to give you your specific filter. Now, there's one important thing here to know about filters is you've got to read them. This one says made in Malaysia, airflow down. Airflow is always down inside the car. So you want to read this and how it's marked. Sometimes these can be marked as top pointing up, but you still need to put the airflow down. Hope that's important. So the first thing to do is get all the crap out of the glove compartment that you have accumulated. Toss it to one side. Right over here, you've got a small dampener arm. It latches underneath, so you just push it away. It'll come free. And then this piece and this piece over here, you're going to push them inwards, and it's going to release a little tab right here on each side. And this whole door will swing out of your way. So once you get the door open, you've actually got a cover right here. There's a latch on each side. Push those in, and you expose the air filter. Pry that bad boy out. Ugh. Yeah, I'd say it was time to clean it. So we'll double check the new one. Make sure it says airflow down, but it goes in this way. Then we simply put the cover back on. Latch, latch. Then you take your door, push in slightly on each side, and then latch this back in. Simply latch that back in. Seriously? There we go. And that's all there is to it. You've now changed your indoor air filter. Thumbs up. Leave me a positive comment below. Thanks, y'all.